the DJI NEO. Does the DJI NEO record sound or any audio without using any app or external microphone devices? Let's find out, shall we? So, right now, we're recording audio, we're recording video. At least we think we're recording audio in the standalone mode, meaning there's no controllers, simply just using the palm of your hand to start the recording and start the audio recording. But the audio recording in this is actually not going to work, as you'll see right now.
So the simple answer is no, the DJI NEO doesn't record audio at all in its standalone mode without using the DJI app.
So with that being said, when you're using the DJI NEO in standalone mode, you won't be able to get any audio with your video, so you'll be able to get back your video footage without any audio. That is something that the DJI NEO doesn't have built into it. So there's no internal microphone unless you've got it hooked up to your phone, which has the DJI Fly app, or an external microphone like the DJI Mini, say for instance. But if you guys want to find out, please check out my other videos as well regarding those certain things. So unfortunately, the DJI NEO does not record audio internally using it as a standalone device without the apps that DJI provide, or with external mics that you've plugged in, or your phone for that matter as well by itself. Though I will have videos on how to do all of that, so please make sure you subscribe for future videos on the DJI NEO. And don't get me wrong, this drone is incredible for taking 4K videos, 1080 HD videos, all of that good stuff. I know the audio is not there, but yes, you can still get audio on this with using those devices like I've said, but as a standalone device, without any other devices, no, you cannot record audio. So with that being said, unfortunately, hope I didn't disappoint anyone, but before you do buy one, make sure you do know and read everything about it, that this does not record audio as a standalone device. You will need DJI Fly and an external mic as well to use for your phone. But like I said, I've got other videos to show you guys exactly how to do that and how I get perfect audio for my videos with the DJI NEO. Hope everyone is well and healthy. Thank you all for joining me. Please consider subscribing and clicking that thumbs up button. Leaving comments down below if you have any questions on the DJI NEO. I'll be more than happy to send you back a response within 24 hours. And with that being said, we're leaving it there. See you all in the next one.